MS Dhoni. There might be very few people who may be unaware of this name. MS Dhoni or Captain Cool is very well known for his decisions on cricket field. He is also very well known for his finishing and wicket-keeping skills. In today's video, I, Upen Chandra, am going to speak about MS Dhoni's life story of becoming a superstar cricketing player. MS Dhoni was born on 7 July 1981 at Ranchi. His father's name is Pan Singh and mother's name Devki Devi. MS Dhoni did his earlier studies at DAV Jawahar Vidya Mandir. MS Dhoni is very well known in cricket, but initially MS Dhoni was very much interested in badminton and football. MS Dhoni used to play as a goalkeeper of his football team. MS Dhoni was so exceptionally good in football that he used to play football at district and club level for his team. After seeing MS Dhoni's amazing performance as a goalkeeper, the coach of his football team suggested him to play cricket. Though earlier MS Dhoni hadn't played cricket, he impressed everyone at his wicket-keeping skills, and he became the regular opener of Commando Cricket Club. Based on his performance, MS Dhoni was picked for 1997-1998 season of Vinu Makan Under-16 trophy, and there he performed well. MS Dhoni is a fan of Sachin Tendulkar and Ricky Ponting. He also enjoys driving cars and bikes. MS Dhoni focused on cricket after his 10th standard. At this time, MS Dhoni gave an exam for TTE and was appointed as a TTE at Kharagpur railway station from 2001 to 2003. MS Dhoni's colleagues say that MS Dhoni was a very honest and straightforward employee of the Indian Railways. But he was also a very mischievous person. Once, while staying at railway quarters, Dhoni and two of his friends covered themselves in bed sheets and walked around complex late in the night. Even some night guards were fooled, believing that there were ghosts moving around the streets. This story gathered big news on the next day. In early times, when MS Dhoni used to play for Central Coalfields team, Deval Sahai used to gift him 50 rupees for each six that he hit in Sheesh Mahal tournament cricket matches. Deval Sahai, an ex-BR Cricket Association Vice President and was the Ranchi District Cricket President. MS Dhoni made his Ranji Trophy debut for BR in 1999-2000 season of Ranji Trophy, in which he scored 68 runs not out in his second innings of first match and scored 283 runs in 5 matches. MS Dhoni in 2001-2002 Ranji Trophy season scored 550s in just 4 Ranji Trophy matches. MS Dhoni was very well known for his hard hitting. MS Dhoni's talent was discovered by TRDO Prakash Poddar, who was captain of Bengal team in 1960s. He saw Dhoni play for Jharkhand at a match in Jamshedpur in 2003 and sent the report to National Cricket Academy. MS Dhoni was picked for India A squad for tour of Zimbabwe and Kenya. Against Zimbabwe 11 at Harare Sports Club, Dhoni had his best wicket-keeping effort with 7 catches and 4 stumpings in a match. And in match against Pakistan, Dhoni helped India chase down a target of 223 runs with a half-century. In the same tournament, MS Dhoni scored back-to-back centuries, scoring 120 runs and 119 runs not out. In the whole tournament, Dhoni scored 362 runs in 6 innings at an average of 72.40. MS Dhoni's this performance received attention from then Indian captain Sourav Ganguly and Ravi Shastri. MS Dhoni made his ODI debut against Bangladesh during India's tour of Bangladesh. During the first ODI on 23rd December 2004, Dhoni got run out on his very first ball faced. In spite of his average performance in the series against Bangladesh, Dhoni was picked for the series against Pakistan. In the second ODI match of the series against Pakistan, played on 5th April 2005 at Visakhapatnam, MS Dhoni played a knock-off 148 runs in 123 balls. At that innings, MS Dhoni broke the earlier record of highest individual score by Indian wicketkeeper, and that's when MS Dhoni's first big innings came. MS Dhoni had few batting opportunities during the first 2 games during Sri Lankan bilateral ODI series, but during the third ODI match at Jaipur on 31st October 2005, Sri Lanka set a target of 299 runs. Dhoni was promoted to number 3 and he played a Superman knock of 183 runs in 145 balls. This innings set various records including highest individual score in ODIs in second innings, which was then broke by Shane Watson during year 2010-2011. Dhoni ended the series with 346 runs and was awarded the man of the series. MS Dhoni was named as captain of Indian squad for inaugural ICC World 2020 held at South Africa during September 2007. India were crowned the champions as MS Dhoni led India to victory against Pakistan in a thrilling final on 24 September 2007 at Johannesburg. MS Dhoni first captained the Indian team in ODIs during the 7-match ODI series between India and Australia during September 2007. MS Dhoni first captained the Indian team in Test matches during the second Test against Australia on 17 October 2009 at Mohali. And Dhoni was made Indian full-time Test captain during the fourth match of the same series on 6th November at Nagpur. It was under the captainship of MS Dhoni that India climbed to number one spot in ICC Test rankings during the year 2009 in December. Dhoni topped the ICC ODI batsman rankings for several months in 2009. Dhoni had an excellent year in ODIs in 2009, scoring 1,198 runs in just 24 innings at an average of 70.43. For his performance in 2009, Dhoni was named as captain and wicketkeeper of World ODI 11 by ICC. After winning 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup final against Sri Lanka on 2nd April 2011 at Mumbai, MS Dhoni played a knock-off 91 runs not out in 79 balls. Sachin Tendulkar said that MS Dhoni is the best captain he has played under. In March 2011, Dhoni became the most successful Indian Test captain when he eclipsed Sourav Ganguly's record of 21 victories from 49 Test matches. Sourav Ganguly also said in an interview that MS Dhoni is the all-time greatest captain of India. India won ICC Champions Trophy 2013 under the captainship of MS Dhoni by beating England by 5 runs in finals on 23rd June at Birmingham. MS Dhoni won the ICC ODI Player of the Year 2008-2009 for his amazing performance in ODI cricket during the years 2008 and 2009. MS Dhoni also won the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in year 2007, Padma Shri in year 2009, and Padma Bhushan in year 2018. Under the captaincy of MS Dhoni, India won ICC World 2020 2007 at South Africa, ICC Cricket World Cup 2011 at India, and ICC Champions Trophy 2013 at England and Wales, which makes MS Dhoni the only captain to win all three ICC trophies. Really, MS Dhoni is one of the greatest captain, batsman, wicketkeeper, and player of all time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and do share your suggestions in the comment section.